What's going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to register your trade name for your small engine repair business, or any business for that matter. This video is just going to be titled how to register a trade name in your state. It's going to vary state to state with the path, but I'm going to show you guys how to get through that. We're actually going to buy a trade name live so I can open up my small engine business that I do on my YouTube channel for Wells Fargo. Because when you need to open up a bank account or get a business license or something like that, you normally need a trade name in your state through your Secretary of State. Mine for Arizona is Katie Hobbs. I'm going to show you guys where to go, and I'm going to tell you how to avoid, the scams and the ads, because there's a lot of them that just want your money and just want to take it. But I need to get a trade name so I can open up my Wells Fargo business account for my YouTube channel, since now that's making some cheddar. So, I already have one for mobile small engine repair, which is my business I do on the side, just to go out, get customers, start recording some stuff. And we're going to jump on the computer here, and we're going to show you guys how to do that. Okay, so here we are at the computer. Right now we're on Google, and all you got to do is when you're on Google, because every state website's different, but this is going to be the best way to do it. All you have to do is type in whatever state you're in. Like, we're going to do Arizona trade name registration. And you're going to see right here, like right here at the top, this ad, LegalZoom, register your trade name. Don't click on the ad. Second one, newbusinessfiling.org, Arizona trade name right here. Don't click on that either. Now, if you look, it's normally going to be a .gov or a .us. I'll show you a little example here in a minute. But .gov, you 100% know that it's right. You can't, I don't believe any other person could get a .gov unless you're part of the government. So right here is for Arizona. We're going to click on that. You can see Katie Hobbs up here. I believe every state likes to have their face on there, their Secretary of State. So if you can look right here on this screen, this is Texas. This is John B. Scott. If you look up here, it's .gov. Okay, so as you see, it's .gov. This is where you go you go to the Secretary of State. So this website's sos.texas.gov, and the Arizona one is azsos.gov. So see, that's why I can't. I wish it was just everybody was just the two letters for your state .sos.gov. It'd be a lot better, but no. Now, if we look right here on this one, this is for Colorado, and this is Gina. You always know it's the official website when they're plastering their face all over. They have a hero complex or something. And you can see it's .co.us. But now, if you click on like business, it should take you to coloradosos.gov. Now see, this is Colorado before, unlike Texas, is the SOS is before. So see, it does take you, same website, I just clicked the link and now I'm at a .gov. So .us.gov, watch out for that, because they like to put the ads up there. So now without further ado, we'll go to mine for Arizona. And right here it says trade names and trademarks. We'll go ahead and click that. This will take us to the part where, it says beta. I don't know if every state can do this right now. I know for a fact Arizona does. So, trade name registration application. It's a $10 filing fee. It's going to be, I think it's $15 in the end, or is it just $10? I don't know. But I'll show you what happens if you click on something here that is already taken. I already have mobile small engine repair, right? Some of the stuff's going to be censored on here to hide my personal information. But we're looking at mobile small engine repair, which is already taken, obviously, because I own that trade name. And see, it says right here, it conflicts with this one. So obviously I can't file it. There's my filing number. That's public information. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to go to type in simply, if I could spell today, Andrews Repairs, which is my YouTube channel name. You're here. Obviously, you know that. And if you are here, hit that like button. Also, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to check out my social tree or whatever, link tree down in the description. It really helped me out. So we'll go ahead and click search for Simply Andrews Repairs. Please do not be taken by somebody. That'd be a real pain in my neck. This really isn't needed, but in here in Arizona, in my Kingman town, I needed to open up my Wells Fargo bank account, and I needed to get a business license. But I don't need a business. I just need the bank accounts and the tax information and all that other drama. Okay, so I had an error on the first one, so we're gonna just go back to this. We're gonna type in again, Simply Andrews Repairs. We'll enter my email, and now there it is. It is available. As you guys see right here, we are going to go ahead and click continue. And like I said, this is going to be like the same task for your states. It's just probably going to be a different place. Okay, let's add the owner, which is me, Lord Andrew Whitaker. We are actually going to do a professional LLC. And the state format's going to be in Arizona. And the name, enter the business name exactly filed with the Arizona Commissions. You could do it as a sole proprietor too. It's not going to hurt. Sole proprietor, whatever you want to run your business as for your trade name, it's not going to hurt. However you guys want to do it. Where I'm going to enter all my information here. It's going to be a big blur for you guys at the moment. And my business address is at my home. I'll enter my phone number here. And yes, my phone number is public information. Yes, my mailing address is public information. Date of first use. Now, I started my YouTube channel in 10/28. What was that? 2020. It's been a great 2 years almost. Like, really great. You guys are super awesome. Especially people like Bald Eagle and Freedom Mowers. You guys, and you know, there's a lot of you guys out there. You guys just make my life amazing. Nature of business. Straight up YouTube channel. I don't know what else to put. And online business. I guess you guys could fill that out a little better than I did. Please note before reading, we'll just skip that. I don't like to read. Reading's for losers. Make sure all the information's correct. Big blur for you guys. Sorry. A lot of private information. I mean, it's not that private if you guys go look. Thank you for applying. Your application will be reviewed. The turnaround time is 3 to 4 weeks. But let me show you guys a little trick too. That's just for LLCs. So if you're not running an LLC, I'll show you guys the quick way to do it. So this is going to be simply Andrews Repairs. Again, same email. This way I get this one too right away. It's available, so I'll take it. Add the owner. Now it's going to be person. Oh, I got to enter my name. Oh, I can't read or spell right now. So here we go. We added the person. I'm going to enter all my personal information. And with this person one too, I can also get my Wells Fargo account. So 10/28/2020. Oh, I missed the 28. This is going to be YouTube channel and online business. Oh no, Alpine online. Make sure it matches exactly. Works for me. Continue. And if this one says weeks, that's going to be different than what I normally see. Payment processing. Okay, we're gonna pay online. Gonna have to blur some more stuff, but this will give me my trade name right away. So I'm pretty excited about that. That means I could go open my bank account tomorrow. Until the LLC one gets approved, which it will. Go ahead and enter all my information. We're paying with a credit card. It'll be the same for whatever you're doing too. Sorry about all the blurs right now. I don't want none of y'all stealing my credit card. Taking all my damn money. Not a lot, by the way. And it's that simple. Oh wait, what? I had the wrong address. I still have my old address for my card. Hopefully it goes through now. Better go through now. Thank you for your payment. It was successful. Now, I'm going to wait about 5 minutes and I'll show you guys the end result. And just like that, ladies and gentlemen, they printed out my thing. I could take this to the bank. I could take this to the county clerk's office. And that's all it takes, especially if you're doing a person just to get a trade name to open a business account. You could upgrade it later, whatever. But it's just like that. Now you can make your bank account, and that's as simple as it is. I'm going to put this on the wall now, and that way all future videos, because the new people here are subscribed now, you will see our progress every time I make a video now. Don't you guys love that? Don't you guys love that so much? If you guys look over here, there's a whole playlist of generator repairs, and right under that's a whole playlist of lawnmower repairs. If you're not interested in those, this is what YouTube thinks you should watch next. You guys have a great and awesome day. My name is Andrew, and I love you guys. Thank you so much for being here. Have a good one.